So for 3D, you selected that. Now notice, 3D, you have a few options, okay? You have an option to select where that 3D will be taken, because you can take the 3D in condyles, as it shows here, left condyle, right condyle, or posterior, left posterior, this is the patient's left, and this is the right posterior, or the anterior. So let's suppose we want to take an x-ray on the doctor in the anterior, okay? Three-dimensional, that will be 8 by 8. You'll be surprised, with the 8 by 8 in the anterior, it covers molar to molar. It covers third molar to third molar. So go ahead and select that, if you will.
So right here?
Yep. See, now it lit up, right? Okay. Now,
and that's only in the lower, right there.
upper and lower.
Oh, upper and
Maxilla
lower?
and mandible. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now.
So this doesn't mean that it's just the lower, like cause
no, this means in the anterior.
Anterior.
See, think of it this way. What it shows here, you have a circle right here, or a circle right here, or a circle right here, and same thing here on the other side.
But it's either or. Like if you're doing it on the left side, it's only the left side.
If you only do it on the left side, it'll show you the patient's
Left side
left
only.
side.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll show you an example. When we take this one, you kind of get an idea what it looks like. This is a very common X-ray to be taken.
Okay.
So you will hardly, unless you need to take it for a even if you want to look at the posterior, you'll probably be able to get that in the anterior X-ray every single time. The difference is the patient size changes, the anatomy is different from one patient to another. So in case you can't get it all in one, just go ahead and play it safe. If you think there's an issue in the left that you want to take a look at, just go ahead and take it there. But for your standard procedure, you can take three-dimensional, and the anterior covers everything. Okay, or if the patient said, I have, pain, then you can take it in the condyle. Okay? So with that being said, and then we would have to select the patient size, if you will. So in this case, doctor is over 21. Perfect. All right. And then, move into starting position. Beautiful. Now watch what's going to happen. It's going to do some things. It's going to rotate this, because this is a 3D sensor. It's going to want to rotate to the other side. Okay. Now it says select quadrant, right? Now in this case, because we're taking upper and lower in the anterior, these are the quadrants. Can you go ahead and push that? And then just hit right, because we want to cover all mandible. Yeah, there you go. It actually allows you to select it all in one, which is fine. You couldn't actually even select one square if you tried, if you were in the anterior region. Okay. Now, go ahead. Now, let's suppose after you did that, doctor said, hey, let's not do the anterior. I want to do the posterior, left posterior of the patient. Try that if you will. No? Yeah, there we go. Notice, see that circle went to that. Now, if you go to the, see how the yellow lit up on that side, because you're doing only the left side. If we go back, and let's go back to the anterior. Okay. Everything is lit up. Okay. So if you look on the right hand side, you'll see that it shows you it's in the 8 centimeter mode, which is 8 by 8. It's in the non-HD mode. You can do HD. It takes a little bit longer, but I'll show you what this one looks like, and then we can take another one in HD. And then this is the kbPMA for that patient. Okay. Now here it says select Sedexus 3D exposure. Okay. And the reason why it did that, because on the screen, doctor selected the 2D, because we were going to take a pan. Now we have to select, can I show you real quick?
Yeah.